Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Myself Ganesh. Today we are talking about the route concept. So how we can add the route in the Linux server, we can check. So basically this route we can use if suppose there are two node, that is server and one is the client, and both are having in the different network. So in between we can use the route, or you can see the gateway to communicate in between the source to destination. So the packets which are flowing from the source server to destination, using gateway it will transmit that packets. So using the command, that is route space hyphen "n", we can check the route entry, what is the gateway we are using currently on the server. Using the another command, that is route, also you can check. Here is also we can get, this is the destination, and this gateway are showing in the star, and this is the Jane mask. So this information is reflecting under this route. Another command, that is netstat hyphen rn. So using that command also you can check. Normally this netstat space hyphen r command we are using the Solaris, because this route space hyphen n command is not working in the Solaris server. Another command, that is ip space route space show. So using this command also you can check the gateway entry for the particular server. This is our source server, and this is like the gateway we are using for this range. Another command, that is ip space route space list command. We can check the output is reflecting as same, both the commands are reflecting the same output. So basically this default gateway we are configured under the /etc/sysconfig/network. This is the file we are using, and here we can set the default gateway. If suppose I want to give the gateway, so you need to set like this way. Suppose I am giving the gateway IP, suppose 192.168.1.1. So this is my gateway IP address I am defining here. Now I am going to save it. So this is the default gateway we have saved under this configuration file. And if suppose I want to add this default gateway, first I am checking this route space hyphen "n" command. So here is not reflecting. Now I am going to add the route, that is default route. Suppose I want to add, then you need to use the command, that is route space add space default space gateway, that is GW we need to specify, and giving the gateway, that is 192.168.1.1. suppose I am giving, and for the port, that is ETS 0. First I am checking either this ETH 0 is available or not. So this ETH 0 we are using. So this command we can use to add our default gateway on the ETH port. Now I am checking route space N. Now you can see this route is added for this destination. So this destination showing here this public color, means all the network it is broadcasting from this network, from this gateway. Also we are adding this gateway using this different way also. If suppose you want to use the different way like 0/24, this subnet mask you can provide using this command, and you need to specify here device name. So you need to use the DEV, that is the attribute you need to use. So using this command also you can add the route. suppose changing it. That is IP space route space add. Yeah, so this command we need to use, but this files, this route entry is already exist on the server. That's why it is not taking, because it's showing this file is exist. But this command is also you can use to add the default gateway. So these are the command you can use to add your default gateway, or you need to add the new gateway. You can use this command to adding it on the source server. So thank you guys, thank you for this watching this video. Thank you, bye.